Welcome back. This is an exciting day as I'm going to pull off the masking from my painting and it will reveal what's underneath. So it kind of looks a mess at this point, very dark, so I'm feeling good about having reached a level of 5 for my darks. I use a rubber cement pickup. And I try to go in one direction. I'm going to hold the paper, it's still stapled. And I just start to pull it off. You can pull it off with your hands a little bit. And this process will take me probably about 15 minutes. I'm doing it gingerly, but it really comes off easily in big strips. And I will come back to you in a few minutes with the finished piece. Thank you. I wanted to thank you for joining me in this process. And here is the final painting with all the masking removed, matted and framed. For tips on pouring, please visit my website, judysaltzman.com, and I'll have some additional tips on pouring and layering watercolor paints. Have a great day, make art, happy painting. Thank you.